Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper ring box. So this is a very easy way of making a paper ring box and it's useful too. So one more special thing about this ring box is that it contains a small heart ring inside. So this will be a really cute and easy Valentine's gift to do, and it's also very fun to do as well. So I'll be having a small purple box over here, and I also stuck a small red heart over here with a black outline. And if you open this box, we will be having a small white ring holder which contains a red ring like this. So you can easily insert the ring and take it out as well. So I made this in such a way that if it's my size, you guys can do it any size you want. It'll be really easy, fun and cute to do as well. And also contains this cute box, so whenever you're not using it, you can put it inside and you can save it. So without any further delay, let's get started. We'll be seeing how to make this really easy paper ring box. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get into the video. So the first step is that I'm going to be taking a square piece of paper of purple color. So I'm going to be taking two square sheets like this. So the first one will be a little bit smaller than the second one, since the box needs, the inner part of the box needs to be sort of smaller than the outer part of the box. So first I'm going to be taking one part and we're going to be making a box for the outer ring box. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box. So if you guys feel like this is kind of difficult, you guys can refer that video for reference. The first step is that we're going to be folding this paper in half. So next we're going to be folding it in half on the opposite side like this. Next step is that we're going to be folding all the four sides of the paper to the middle point over here. So once this is done, we're going to be folding these two sides to the middle line like this over here. Then we're going to be folding these two sides inwards as well, like this. So now we're going to be taking this side open and this side open, and we're going to be folding these two flaps inwards like this over here. So now we're going to be taking this bottom part and we're going to be folding it to the top. And now we're going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. So now we're going to be opening this piece like this. And now I'm going to be folding this inwards like this. And we're going to be folding this part into the box so that we'll get a box structure. So we're going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So now I'm folding it on the opposite side over here as well. So now our box is ready. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking the other yellow purple color paper we have, and I'm going to be repeating the same step. I'm going to be making this box. So I'm taking purple because purple, red and pink will be cute Valentine colors to do. So if you guys want, you can take like different colors according to your choice and the color you like, you can choose that. So I'm going to be making this box one more time. So I'm just going to be doing it a little bit fast. So you guys can pause the video and do it, or else you can pre-forward the video and see it as well. So as I said, I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make the paper box. You guys can visit that video for more references. So we're going to be repeating the same step over here so that we'll get this box. So this is a very easy way of making a box as well. I've posted many videos on my channel by making a paper box. So you guys can visit those videos as well. So now our box is almost going to be completed. We're just going to be folding it at the last part over here, like this, on this side. And now on this side. So now our box is complete. So now we're going to be taking this top part box and we're going to be closing it inwards over here like this. So now our ring box is ready. So now we'll move on to the next step, which is we're going to be making the white box for fitting inside this. So as I said, we're going to be making a box that you can make a place for inserting the ring. So now we're going to be repeating the same steps. So I'm going to be making one more box again with this white piece of paper. So as I said, if you guys feel like this is hard, you can pause forward the video and pause it and do it as well. So if you guys want, if you're going to be using like blue or yellow or any other colors like that, then you guys can use different color combinations that will suit them. So it's not compulsory you have to do a heart ring. You can do any ring that you like that suits you. So you guys can follow the same steps, but instead of doing those the last part, you can do whichever decoration you want on your ring as well. So by the time if you guys are waiting, you can do more decorations to your ring box, and you can also cut out a heart and do any decorations to the ring that you're going to be making. So this is also going to be ready. We're just going to be folding it at the last part over here. And now we're going to be opening it and we're going to be inserting it over here. So all the 3 boxes need to be different sizes. So the smallest will be the white one, the next smallest will be the small purple, and the next biggest one will be the largest purple. So now once we cut this out, once we complete this, I'm going to be inserting it into the purple box, the small box that we made over here. So please make sure that's almost the same size so that it fits properly. So now we inserted it into this over here, and now it's cute and perfect. So next step is that I'm going to be taking a cutter. So why I'm using a cutter is I'm going to be cutting a small hole over here so that you can insert the ring inside. So if you guys do not have a cutter, you can even use a scissor if you want. So if you guys feel like this is kind of hard, you guys can, it's not compulsory you have to make a small hole. You can even take your ring and place it at the top. That's also your choice. So if you guys do not know the perfect size of the ring, and if you want to make it more perfect, you guys can wait and you can complete the ring. Then you can cut it. So I just cut out 2 lines like this, like an equal to symbol. And now I'm going to be cutting it from this side to over here, like this. So now I'm just going to be putting a small hole over here, and I'm taking my finger out. As you see, we'll be having a small hole like this over here. So I'm going to be pushing this hole inwards like this, and now our hole is also ready. So now we're going to be keeping this aside and we'll move on to making the ring. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a small red piece of paper like this. So as you see, I'm taking for making the ring in this size, we'll be getting this size of paper. So this will be 4 into 4 centimeters. So if you want the ring to be in a bigger size, you can even take like 5 into 5 or another size that suits you. So I'm just going to be pasting this inside over here. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a heart ring. So you guys can visit that video for more information as well. So the first step is that we're going to be folding this paper in half, the red paper. And now I'm going to be folding it in half one more time after we complete it. So after that, we're going to be turning it to the opposite side and we're going to be folding it inwards like this in the back part. So now we're going to be turning it back in this way and we're going to be folding this part to the bottom. So now we're going to be turning it to the back side again and we'll be having like a small flap over here. So we're just going to be opening it and folding it over here. So now I'm going to be folding this piece over here and this piece over here. So this is the way I did in making the Valentine's Day envelope card. So you guys can visit that video for making this heart as well. So now I'm just going to be folding this at the top part over here like this. And now we're going to be folding this part over here and we're going to be folding it in this way as well. So now we'll be having a heart and we'll also be having like a small box over here. So I put this because some people might want the background color as well. So if you guys did like this, you guys can give any decorations or colors over here, or else you can even fold it as a bag, or else you can even cut it. So I'll just show it to you guys as well. So you can just cut this bottom part like this over here so that our heart will be ready. So now our heart is ready. So next we'll be moving on to the back part. So as you see, the back part, the ring will be like this and we will be having small foldings over here. So for that, I'm going to be taking another small 10 piece of paper like this. And I'm going to be applying some glue at the back part of our heart over here. So once we complete this, I'm going to be spreading the glue. And we're going to be sticking it into another piece of paper, the red paper that we had, like this over here. So you guys can apply some force on the top so that it sticks properly. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting out the remaining parts. This is just to give it more support, and sometimes the ring might break if it's too thin. So this will give it a thickness as well as it will be nice and strong as well. I'll also be having a good color and look at the back part as well. So now our ring is complete, so our heart is ready. So you guys can use any decoration and you can color it as well. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be taking another red piece of paper like this over here. So now I'm just going to be cutting it at the edge over here like this. And we're going to be cutting it one more time over here. So I'm going to be cutting it like this. And I'm going to be sticking it at the edge. So just to give it some thickness and to make it be strong, the edges as well. So we're going to be sticking it like this. And now I'm going to wait until it's dry. So after that, we're going to be folding this piece in half. So if you guys want, you can use like a normal red paper and you can fold it a few times so that will give it some strength. So once it completely dries, we're going to be folding it in half like this over here. So now we're going to be rolling it gently like this. So you can even use like a glue bottle and you can use it to mold the shape like this. So then you can fit it into your finger and see which size will be perfect for you. So for me, I think this one will be perfect. So I'm going to be taking this piece and we're going to be opening it over here like this, and we're going to be inserting this part over here. So I'm just going to be taking this and inserting it into the small hole that we'll have over here. So since we fold it in half, we'll be having a small protruding over here. So we're just going to be sticking it, and I'm going to be folding it on so that it will be perfect. So now our ring is also ready. So if you guys want, you can use tape or glue to secure it. So after that, I'm going to be applying a little bit of glue at the top part over here. And now we're going to be sticking the heart ring that we made over here. So we're just going to be waiting until it dries down. So after we complete this, our heart ring is also ready. So now we can take our box and we'll try to insert this. So if it does not fit properly, you can take the cutter and you can like cut it a little bit more to make it fit properly. So now I'm going to be inserting it inside the box. So you can even fold the ring so that it fits properly. Then you can take it out. So now our ring fits inside the box and it's also really cute and pretty. So now we're going to be taking the top part of our box and we're going to be closing it. So now a heart ring box is ready. So on the top, as I said, I just stuck a small heart over here to give it some color and beautiness. So I'm going to be repeating the same step over here as well. So I'm going to be taking the remaining red piece of paper we had and I'm going to be folding it in half. So now we're going to be cutting a heart out of it. So we're going to be cutting one big slanted line over here and a curved line like this over here. So now our heart is also ready. So this is a simple heart. I'm going to be sticking it in the middle just to give some color. So if you guys want to make it more creative and beautiful, you guys can even paint it or give it some decorations and everything. So you can just give simple decoration ideas to this as well. So now I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm going to get an outline too to make it nice and thick and also look good if you give it an outline over here. So along with that, I'm just going to be giving small black spots along with it so that it will be more prettier. So after you give all the decorations, you can write your name at the back or on the back part of the ring and everything. And now we can close it inside it. So after we complete this, our really easy heart ring is ready. So now our top part and decoration part is ready. And now we can close it as well. So as you see, it's really cute and it's also a really easy way of making it. And the size also fits it perfectly. So if you're going to be making it a bigger size, you can take the bigger sizes of paper and everything. So as you see, the first one I made is kind of the bigger size over here, like this, and the one that we made now is kind of smaller as compared to the first one. So it's according to you about which size you make, and according to you can decorate it and do your own creativity and do your heart ring box. So after we complete this, our really easy paper heart ring box that contains a ring is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!